my A1C number was at 7.7. Then shortly after I joined the program, 2 months after to be specific, it dropped to 6.8. The last one was 6.3, which I did in April of this year, April of 2025. I no longer take medication, Metformin that was prescribed for me. I'm not a medication kind of guy. It was a big relief that my numbers were coming down even without taking medication. So it makes me feel great. The first diagnosis was in just right around COVID. I was shocked. I never got sick, stuff like that. So I almost thought I was invincible to any of these kind of diseases. So when that came through, it was a big shock. I remember not being able to drive from the doctor's parking lot for about 1 hour. I was sitting in my car, just thinking to myself, what just happened? So yeah, it was a big shock to me. I was just watching YouTube videos, trying to gather more information on how to naturally get rid of type 2 diabetes. Then I stumbled on some of the videos. I remember I was traveling. I was on the way, like a 4-hour trip. So I had the time so I watched the first video. It kind of was making sense to me, and I was intrigued by the things he was saying. So I jumped to the second one. So all through my 4 hours of drive, I was listening to his YouTube videos. That was how I got to know about mastering diabetes. And when I got home that night, I just signed up. I wasn't familiar with plant-based meals, and I something I never paid attention to until when I went through his videos. Then I joined the program. I thought it was going to be more difficult than I later found. It wasn't that difficult for me. So what I did was, when I joined, I started looking through all the meals that were available, and I found the ones that I actually liked so much, and I still kind of go through them these days. That's what I still prepare. So it wasn't a big switch. I never thought plant-based was yummy. It's something I never even thought about. I know people talk about being vegan, being vegetarian. I never thought about that. But it's not a big struggle when I joined. I started enjoying it. I was able to get about 4 or 5 of the meals I got used to that I love so much. So I just stuck with those. It was great, and you could see that you notice how my number dropped in the first couple months when I first joined. I would say that was due to following her program, because we were doing like weekly meetings. She was following up on my fasting blood glucose levels on a daily basis. So I was paying more attention then. And she was also following up in terms of the kind of exercise I do. So that really helped. The coaching really helped to keep me on track, especially right from the beginning when I first joined. Everyone was sharing their tricks, and it was great to listen to other people that were going through similar struggles as myself, hear them speak, see what steps they were taking to correct some of the struggles they were going through. And yeah, it was good sharing, just participating as a group. I've been struggling with A1C for a bit before I discovered mastering diabetes. And when I joined, my A1C number was at 7.7. Then shortly after I joined the program, 2 months after to be specific, it dropped to 6.8. The last one was 6.3, which I did in April of this year, April of 2025. I no longer take medication, Metformin that was prescribed for me. I'm not a medication kind of guy. It was a big relief that my numbers were coming down even without taking medication. So it makes me feel great. But at some point, I knew I was at 205 pounds, dropped down to 190. I'm currently around 190 pounds. That's kind of a nice bonus, because it wasn't even a big struggle to bring down the weight, and also not a struggle to keep it that way. It's very high compared to like couple years ago. So and I can test my energy level like on a weekly basis, because I participate in playing soccer, and I see my the energy level during play what it has been. So yeah, I would say it's at the highest level in the last few years at this point. But my main area with mastering diabetes that I paid most of my attention to was in coaching, worked with Coach Karen, and also with the meal prep. I was following the Mastering Diabetes guideline with meal planning and stuff. That really helped me a lot to lower my A1C. Honestly, I would say just jump in the river and just try it out. It's not something that will be too difficult because, like I said before, my struggle with plant-based was because I didn't know so much about plant-based, and I thought it was just going to be me eating something that isn't that delicious just because of my health. But when I got into it, I found out that the food were as delicious as any food I've been having before. So it wasn't a big struggle. So I would say just try it, jump into it. There are a lot of, especially the meals, there are a lot of variety of meals that you can try out and see which one fits your taste the most. And you just go with that. Surely find a few of them because there's a whole range of meals to choose from. So I would just say get into it and try it out. It's great. It brings down your number, makes you feel great. And if you're a kind of person that really don't want to live your whole life on medication, then it's a great program to join in on. I'm currently 43, knowing that at this stage I can stay off of med and just do some correction in my lifestyle and stay and be healthy really excite me very well at this stage of my life.